Welcome back everyone to another video. In this video we're gonna cover our buttons, gonna cover functionalities for our buttons, and based on the button type we're gonna display clothing. So if we press like suits, we're gonna display suits. If we press hoodies, we're gonna display hoodies. Okay, let's go to our Visual Studio Code and let's get started. First we're gonna create a new folder called filtered products. Let's give it capital, and inside let's create sex filtered products.jsx component, and let's go back to app.js and let's import our router. So browser router and route from React router DOM. Then let's wrap our application in browser router. Let's wrap it in route, and let's now get our one route, provide element. It's gonna be our main component. Let's copy, paste it, and path is going to be slash and one more route element. Gonna be this new component that we created, filtered, import filtered products from filtered products. Let's import it here. So filtered products, and path is gonna be something like filtered products slash type. Nice. Now when we created this, probably okay, so bad import filtered products. Let's create export default filter. Okay, now it's done. I wanna apologize now because you might not hear me or like couple of seconds, 5 max, because this headset got microphone disable but is turning on like by the default. I don't know, every 30 seconds my microphone or 15 seconds is going off, so I need to turn it on again, and it's taking me like 5 seconds max, so I wanna apologize for that. Okay, let's create our slice for filtered products. So let's go to the feature slices, new file. Let's call it products slice.jsx, and here we're gonna copy this, create slice. Let's put it here. We don't need app anymore, and now let's export cons create like product slice equals create slice, and we're gonna have name inside. That's gonna be products. Initial state gonna be filtered per order products, and for now let's leave it empty. Then let's add our actions or reducers. So let's add reducers, and inside our reducers we're gonna have filter products function that's gonna accept the state and the action. And let's first export default like filter products cons if is equal to products slice dot actions, and let's export default this whole product slice dot reducer. Okay, now when we export it, go to the store and create another name called products, and let's import reducer from features slices products, missing the S. Let's grab it here, let's import it like this, slash features slices products, and now products reducer. Everything is okay, we can refresh, check, inspect, everything is okay. Let's go back, let's get rid of the store now, and let's add some logic. So here we're gonna add try and catch block. If there is error, just return undefined on or error. And inside here we're gonna have const filter function. That's gonna be a filter variable that's gonna filter to our store data. Let's import store data from, let's go to our assets. Okay, wait, I need help here. So assets, then data and dummy data. And what's that store data? Let's go to our data, dummy data. As you can see, I provided a big list with a lot of objects. That object's gonna stay the same for this video, but in the next couple of videos I might change them. So don't get confused, I will provide them in the GitHub. Let's go back here, let's create variable const filter equals store data.filter, and we're gonna filter it. And for each product, we're gonna have product.type equal action.payload. If it's equal, we're gonna have our state named filtered products equal the filter, and also in this video we're gonna save it in the session storage. You can save it to the local storage, session storage, it's up to you, and later I'm gonna explain why we save it. So let's save, name another variable, save state is equal json dot stringify filter, and then session storage set item filtered data, that's gonna be our key, save state, and here we're gonna grab it, json.parse session storage.get item based on our key, in that case filtered data, and here we're gonna provide, and yeah, and otherwise give us back stored data. We can also console.log filter here to show you filter, and typo console.log. Okay, let's go to our filtered products. I mean to navigate buttons right now. Let's import action. So import filter products from our slice, so from the features slices product slice, and let's import dispatch, use dispatch I mean, patch from React Redux. Now let's create another variable called dispatch equals use dispatch, and that use dispatch gonna be used here. So on click, let's have on click, and inside that on click we're gonna have a function that's returning us that dispatch, triggering dispatch and provide an action now, filtered products, and filtered products gonna accept the button. So what this gonna do? Our filtered product section gonna accept the button, and what are the buttons? They are like here. So if we click on hoodies, so okay, imported filtered products. I got an error. Filter products. Did we exported it right? Filter products. Products. Slice. Dot action. How we imported it here. Okay. Navigate button. Filter pro. It's not found. Okay. That was a typo, and now everything is okay. So if we click on the hoodies, let's go back to navigate buttons. We're gonna dispatch the hoodies. So we're gonna dispatch the hoodies here. So product slice gonna accept the hoodies. This action.payload is our button. So hoodies. And if product.type is equal to hoodies, you can go to the dummy data and search like type hoodies. So if this is equal, we're gonna get that returned, and state.filtered products gonna give us only those items, and also we're gonna save that to the session storage, and we're gonna get to that later why. So let's try it. I already log it out. If we go to the inspect console and I pick hoodies, as you can see we are getting 4 objects in a list with the type hoodies. Okay, but what we're gonna do now, why I provided this link, we're gonna go to the filtered products, and here we're gonna loop through those products, but first we need to select them, and we're gonna select them by using use selector. So we're gonna like grab them with use selector, and that's gonna be grabbed from React Redux. And also now we need import use params from where React router DOM, and we're gonna have const products equals use selector, and we're gonna have the state that's gonna return us state.products dot, and let's see what we're gonna return. Go to the products slice, we're gonna need this filtered products. So let's go back here, filtered products, and this products is coming from the store name, so from here. Okay, get rid of this. What we need right now, we need a link as well here. So let's import a link, import link from React router DOM, and let's wrap our button with a link. Let's wrap it with a link. Let's provide a tool. So path, let's provide a path. That path gonna be filtered product slash. Let's go back to the app. As you can see, filtered products, we can copy that, go back here, paste it over here, and that type that I provided here gonna be the button itself. So it's gonna be filtered products slash hoodies, filtered products slash dresses, suits, whatever we click. So let's check it out, and let's console log these products slash products, and let's const params use params, and we will console.log that as well, so you can check what is going on. Now if we pick like suits, we are getting filtered product slash suits. We are getting on that page. Filter is getting 8 items because we got 8 objects with the type of the suits. Params that we logged is suits, and this is our params, and we gonna just destructure it now, because as you can see it's giving us type. So let's just destructure it to the type, and let's log a type, and you will see we are getting whatever we clicked. So let's refresh, and we are getting suits now. Okay, now when we got those filtered there, let's simply display them, and for that we will need to get our filtered products like styling. So let's go here and let's style it. Let's create a div here. That div gonna have the class name of padding top 16. Let's add another div. Let's provide a class name of padding left 14, and here we're gonna have age 1, and we're gonna have type here. That type is gonna be like header to us or like title. So let's add class name, text for Excel, font, inter, text. It's gonna be gray, I don't know, it like 600 we can provide. Font, bold, tracking, normal, and leading. We can add none. Under that div, we're gonna have another div. So let's add another div. And inside that div, we're gonna have a class name, and here we're gonna loop through our projects, and we need a div here. Read calls for justify items center. We're gonna have padding top bottom days, and gap is gonna be 12. Now we're gonna loop through our projects here, and for that let's make another child component. So let's create product card.jsx. For the product card, we're gonna have some properties like ID, name, text, price. What else we got there? Colors. Okay, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna grab card. Let's import that card at the top here. Okay, and let's wrap everything with a card. Let's return that card, I mean. Let's get rid of this, return the card, and now for the image, we're gonna provide image property, and we need image as well here. Okay, for this text, we can provide a name. Here we're gonna provide a text. Then this is gonna be a price for us. Price. And here we're gonna loop and get those colors. So let's add colors slash dot map, and it's gonna be color index, and we're gonna return this element, but like this. And inside that element, we're gonna add key. Oops, key. It's gonna be index color. Those colors are from dummy data, so as you can see, gray, purple, black. And for that, we're gonna add style, inline style. It's gonna be background color, and that's gonna be color. And here we can add a padding of 2 now and rounded like full, that full, and margin right of 4. And we don't need these. Also, let's increase the height of the image. And yeah, this is it. So let's go here back. Now products, all the products, we're gonna filter first. Then for each product, we're gonna have product.type if it's equal that bottoms type. Then we're gonna map through it, and we're gonna have product gonna be the product and the index here. We're gonna return that div. Let's return a div first, and inside the div we're gonna have product card that we created. Div gonna have the key, so let's add key, and it's gonna be product or index. It can be product.id or index, and here we can add id, product.id, name, product.name, text, product.text. If you're wondering what are those id, name, and text, those are the properties that we provided here. And let's add image, product image, colors, product.color, and size, no, price, product.price. And let's see what are we getting right now. If we click on dresses, okay, nothing. Let's see, maybe because I was getting the errors with these colors. Okay, so dresses and products. Let's see, our application is storing this. Let's clear it. Let's go to the dresses again. And we are getting only 4, but not displaying them. Let's go filter products. Did we? Filtered products should be in the app. Products based on the type. Products dot filter. Product dot type is equals the type dot map. Okay, we need a return here. Let's add here and let's check it now, and we are getting something undefined, so the prop children is marked. Okay, we are getting some errors with this typography. Let's see what's that. Failed prop type, the prop children is marked, but we are getting our products here. Let's see what's with that tailwind. Did I copy everything? We are using everything, and maybe this error is wrong. So style class name rounded full. Okay, we will leave that for now, but let's check if everything is displaying. So shoes, t-shirts, we are getting the t-shirts, jackets, we are getting the jackets. Let's go to the bags, we are getting the bags, and if we refresh, we are getting everything. That's not okay. So let's go back here and see our product slice, and let's see that session storage. Okay, typo here. So let's see, like this, copy and paste it, and let's go back. Let's go to the inspect, to our application, delete our session storage, and see if everything is working. If we press shoes, we are getting the shoes, filter is the same, we refresh, products are the same, only 4. And that's what I wanted to show you. I will change the typography. Let's see that typography, man, it's so annoying. Where did I typography over here, typography over here. Everything is okay. Probably something with this looping through the colors, I think. I will check that. Check that later. Don't see what's wrong with this now. Typography, everything is closed. Cannot have the children or something, I don't know. We need to put a div here. We put a div and wrap everything inside a div here. Is that making any changes? It's even worse. Okay, let's remove it. I will fix that in another video. Okay, what I wanted to show you, like, don't watch this. We'll fix that in another video. I wanted to show you when you go back and you want like suits. Let's display our suits because there is 8 of them. And you go to the console, and as you can see, filter got 8 suits, products got 8. So products are coming from here. We are grabbing those products, and if we refresh, we are again getting the 8 products. But let's see. Let's go to our filter product slice, and if we remove this and put an empty list. If we put an empty list here, and if we go to the suits, we will get 8 suits. But the problem is coming right now when we refresh. When we refresh, our products are getting to the empty list. So on refresh, our products are getting on this empty like default value. And that is the problem. You can fix that problem by installing this persist Redux state, like Redux with persist state, also in their official documentation page. You just go to usage guide, and on this right scrollable sidebar, just go with Redux persist. And you will probably copy this, wrap your application around this persist gate, and you will be okay when you refresh the page. And what else? Let's go to this Redux with persistence, and you just follow these steps, like 8 steps. They are the same as this. And at the end is saying with all the connection done, now your React app persists when page changes and or the page reloads. And that is getting our problem here. That is giving us a problem here because it's returning it to a default state. So when we click on the button, we're gonna put something, we're gonna put filter data to our filtered products list, but when we refresh it, it's gonna get returned to our default states. That's why I save it to the session storage. When we refresh now, let's see. When we refresh it, when we like go suits, we're gonna get 8 suits, and when we refresh it, our product's gonna stay the same because it's gonna grab them, as you can see, application from the session storage. But if we remove it from the session storage, clear it, if I'm gonna refresh, it's again gonna get us these 8 suits, but the console is now all the products. So that's why we got another case covered. We go here and we're gonna filter them. Only based on the product type we're gonna display them. And that's what I wanted to show you, and that's why we discussed about this. So you can cover this by saving it like I did to the session storage, or the better scenario would be, I think, if you like read this Redux with persistence, and it's probably, I think you can just copy this, follow these 8 steps, and you will be good. But that's what you need to keep in mind with Redux. Okay, this is it for now. For this video, I'm gonna fix this. Gonna find why my typography is not working. Probably some typo, or these colors are making looping through the course and making some errors. And yeah, this is it. Into another video, we're gonna when we click on this suit, probably one, we're gonna only display that suit, and later we're gonna add them to our shopping bag. Yeah, this is it for this video, and see you everyone next time. Bye.